This is the final rail car which forms part of the Gawler rail line electrification and marks the end of a very long project for us. I'm sure that our customers are going to enjoy the journey.
It's one of the first 25 kV train out of Dandenong ever, and then we've delivered the last 12 vehicles into Adelaide across 2019 to 2023.
The team has been great, and a lot of us have stayed together right through from the base contract right through until now.
I think the highlight would be meeting all the different people, all the different personalities. That's what makes it fun coming to work.
I love this company, and this project I really enjoyed. I really enjoyed working on it. So I've been with ALSTOM since 2013. I actually started on the original Adelaide EMU contract. For the back end of this current contract, I became an EPU manager, so it's been a great experience.
The team did a great job, you know, with all the commitments that we had, with minimal impact on the project. We went through, and that was a huge effort by the team here in Dandenong and in South Australia in Adelaide.